If you're like me, then performance testing is hard. Performance testing is not really for you. It takes much too much time. I mean, I don't even know where to start. Please write in the comments right now if you think performance testing is hard, complicated, and definitely not something that every QA engineer does. I mean, it is only for experts, right? It takes years of experience, it takes practice. You basically juggle a lot of knowledge to be able to do performance testing. Well, let's agree to disagree on that one. What if I told you that in 3 steps, so with the right tool, with the right explanation, my explanation, you're good to go and good to start creation. So 1, 2, and 3. So let's see what we have. The way or the solution for user-friendly or QA-friendly performance testing is K6. And in this next series, I'm going to create a series of videos where we explore K6 and how we can do performance testing with K6. And you can install K6 with Docker, you can install K6 with a Windows installer, or if you have a Linux machine, it even works on Mac, but I don't have a Mac, so I didn't put it into my list. Now, once you have installed K6, I did a Windows installer, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually start your script. So let's create. So once you have installed K6, regardless, I mean, this is with your Windows installer, so this will only work with Windows installer, the steps that we're going to make right now. But once you have installed K6, we need to have a look if K6 is actually installed. But with the Windows installer, so you just do next, and then you open a Windows terminal and just do K6. And if you have it installed, then you should see all of this information. If you get an error, write in the comments and I'll gladly help you to get started. Now we have here a pretty boilerplate K6 test. So we're just importing HTTP from K6. We're importing sleep. I know sleep in test automation doesn't really work, but it's just for testing purposes. And what we're doing, we're only making an HTTP call and opening this website right here. Now let's see if this runs. So again, we have a terminal, and in the terminal we just need to do K6 run, and we have test.js. And if we made everything correctly, then K6 should start and it should perform our test. Now this was fast, easy, and it only took about 1 minute. In the description I'll post the link to where you can use the Windows installer, and I will see you in the next one. But until then, do not forget to rest, then test, and have a good one, and bye bye.